Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a project share using some items from My Crafting World Designs. So I am going to share what I made with the carrot treat box. And this is the die set here. Super, super, super easy to put together. I will have the website and the links to the items in the description box. Now you can use my coupon code LisaG10 to save 10% off of your order at My Crafting World Designs. Okay, I will have all the links, like I said, in the description. So for the carrot box, I've only made this one so far, and it is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at the size. This is a really, really nice size box. Oh my goodness. So that's the sides. And then that's the bottom. And it stands up like that. And these are so fun. I didn't curve those. You can curve these out. And it looks like they're just, flopping around. Really, really cute. And then I just had this bunny in my stash. This bunny does not come with the set, but these layering pieces do. That was just a bunny from my stash. This little grass right here actually comes from her Easter baskets set. So I just used a piece of it that I had cut out, some little scrap pieces. These little eggs are also in her Easter basket set. So that is what I created right there. And I'll go ahead and show you the Easter basket. Now I'm going to make some more of those. That's the only one that I put together. And then the Easter basket is this here. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute it is. And there's the little eggs. And this is the grass that I was showing you that I put down here. I just had some scrap pieces, and I just used a few pieces down there. The fence part comes with the basket, the eggs, and the two little bunnies that are facing each other. And for my basket, all I did is just put some piece of seam binding. But look at my hand, so it's a pretty good size basket too. So that is a few projects that I've made so far with My Crafting World Designs. It is the carrot treat box. I don't want to focus. And then the Easter baskets. Okay. So make sure you go over there and check her out. Now she did say when these dies are gone, they're gone. She's not going to restock on this anything on this from this release. So make sure you go check it out. And when I tell you, they are super cute. Super, super cute. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.